In today's video, I'm going to teach you add tags in ClickUp 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add tags to a task so you can organize, search, and report on your work more efficiently. Tags are lightweight labels that cut across lists and projects, making it easier to filter and find related tasks fast. Start by opening your workspace overview in your team space. From here, head to your spaces. You'll see all the spaces you have access to on the left side of ClickUp. Choose the space where the task you want to tag lives. I'll use a construction-related example for context, but the steps are the same no matter your industry or workflow. Inside that space, open the section where your tasks live. For this walkthrough, I'm going into the meetings area, then opening a schedule list for the team. Once the list loads, you should see all the tasks in that view. Find the specific task you want to tag. Click directly on the task to open its details panel or full task view. Inside the task, look for the Tags section. It's typically located near the top portion of the task sidebar, alongside fields like S&E, priority, and due date. If the field looks empty, that's totally fine. Hover over the empty tags area and click it to activate the tag editor. Now type the tag you want to use. As you type, ClickUp may suggest existing tags. You can select one of those or create a new one by confirming your entry. Press Enter to add it. Keep tag names short and consistent, like Urgent, Client Review, or Q2. Clear, predictable tags make filtering much easier later on. You can repeat this process to add more than one tag to the same task. For example, you might add both meeting notes and materials to help group this item with similar work across different lists. When you're done, close the tag editor. You'll see your tags displayed on the task, and in many views, they'll also appear as colored labels next to the task name. From here, you can filter by those tags in your views to quickly narrow down what you're looking for. If you ever need to tidy up, you can remove a tag by clicking the tag on the task and clearing it. And that's it. You've successfully added a tag to your task in ClickUp. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more practical guides to streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.